Welcome back to the farm. Hope everybody's having a really good day. So, in this episode, we're starting to put the metal roof onto the addition. And so, I'm going to show you some of that, starting with some aerial shots. See, the guys are all there. It's a local company called CREECH Roofing, CREECH. I'll put some information on their company in the description and a little contact card thing. I'll try and put something together at the end. Definitely in part two, I'll have that. So whenever possible, really like to use local, put money back into the community when possible. So they're setting up the machine. They get the metal in rolls, and then on site, they roll it out and make the bends and the length that they need it for each panel for the metal roof. The actual whole job ended up costing barely any more than what it was going to cost me to order the panels and do it myself. Just materials, if I'd ordered everything, what I paid them to do the whole thing. So I thought it was a great deal. Talked to a few, different people, but they're doing the addition and they're doing the pump house. So in today's video, we're going to show most of the addition. The next video will show the addition finished and the pump house. Yes, I just set up the GoPro on time lapse and let it run. Moved it on a few different angles. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll watch them for a couple minutes as they measure things out, lay the little edge strips. If you look in the background through the window and on the front porch, you'll see me pop out every once in a while as I'm running around doing a few things, trying to get something done, be a little productive. So just you'll see they roll off the length that they need, and it comes off the little machine there, and it's more or less ready to go. It's put up there. They're having to slide it under the old roof best they can. So later when we do uh, phase two, we're going to probably replace the whole roof on the house. Right now, for this time, we're going to just go ahead and just do the addition, get that all wrapped up. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Everyone always asks me in the comments and stuff, hey, what's going on with the pond up there on the pond? I almost didn't even put it on here. Sadly, I mean, we just have not gotten any rain. The irrigation pond that's on the neighbor's property is dry, and mine is pretty much just a mud puddle now. So we just got blazing hot, relentless days with very little rain here. Just been super dry here. The temperatures have now cooled off. Not in this video, it's still hot in this video. They've now cooled off, so I'll be back on site tomorrow, trying to finish up the punch list so we can get moved on to insulation, get this thing going, ready to get it done. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. We're close to 5,000 subscribers. Really appreciate everybody's support. We do have shirts now that say, have a really good day. I'm in forest green and gray. We sold a few of those. Really appreciate everybody's support on that. If you're interested in one, I'll put the email in the comments. Just shoot me an email and let you know on that. We're doing them right now. We're doing them introductory to get started. We're doing them at $20. That includes shipping. Most people's around 24, 25 bucks plus shipping and everything. So not trying to really make any money on them, just trying to get them out there and that everybody that wants to be able to show their support. So this one, it's not it's got like a panel locking system. When it goes in, screws into the deck, and then the next piece covers that up. So it's there's a name for that, which I can't recall right now, but I'm sure that I'll remember it by the next video. I'll have my info. But that little side piece there that you see no siding on up at the top of the roof, we needed to wait for the roof to be on to finish the siding there, so that'll get done probably this week. A lot's going to happen this week. We're really trying to finish up, get to inspection, move on to the next phase. We feel like we're moving in the right direction. And let me know in the comments, what do you want to see? Uh, a lot of time, is it something you want more detail on, or just, hey, just enjoy seeing the progress of the house and what we're doing? That's great too. Did not, Chris was not able to get by this week. He's gotten slammed. It was good, great to see him continue to stay busy. My stuff's not a super priority right now anyway. It's nothing pressing. So I think last time we talked again a couple days ago, and looks like around the week of September 13th, he's going to get to me. So see an update then. And we're kind of talking about some plans for something else that's exciting. And if we make some traction on that, if it looks like it's going to be reality, then I'll mention some more info in the next couple of videos. If we make that happen, and I also have mowed the field, not in this video, but I'll show some of that in the next one. Some of the fun I had with that. Mowed about 2/3 of it, and just want to kind of get it cut down and go ahead and spread some of the grass that came over. It had a seed head on it. Want to go ahead and get that spread out. Help get some more grass once we do get some rain. That's it. I said just keep watching this, and we'll catch you next time. Uh, when I'm recording the voice for this was a few days ago, but the voiceover, it's Friday leading into Labor Day weekend. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Everybody stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.